Next, number of atoms are fuses to form the molecule, and number of molecules are fuses to form the cell, and number of cells are fuses to form the tissue. So number of cells main types. How many types of cells? Two types, unicellular organisms and multicellular organisms. Okay, so these number of cells are fuses to form the tissue. Okay, how many tissues? Mainly tissues are four types. Tissues are four types. For example, epithelial tissue. For example, epithelial tissue. So, and second one, connective tissue. Connective tissue. First one, epithelial tissue, and second one, connective tissue. So, what is a epithelial tissue and what is a connective tissue? So, epithelial tissue, it is the outer covering of the body. So, epithelial tissue is the outer covering of the body is epithelial tissue. And second one, connective tissue. So, mainly connective tissue contains blood vessels, lymphatic vessels and lymphatic nodes. Blood vessels, lymphatic nodes and glomerulus. Okay, so these are the main contents of the connective tissue. So these connective tissues are present inside of the epithelial tissue. So these are the mainly types of tissues. Okay, so number of cells are fuses to form the tissue. So these number of tissues are fuses to form the organ. Number of tissues are fuses to form the organ. What is an organ? So for example, eyes is the one organ. Organs means eye is the one organ. And hand is the one organ, and nose is one organ. So these are the single organisms. Okay, organ. What is organ? Organ is a single structure. So that is eye, nose, finger, ear. So these are the organ. So number of organs are fuses to form organ system. What is that? Organ system. What is an organ system? For example, organ system example is organ systems are mainly five types. First one, digestive system. Second one, circulatory system. And third one, respiratory system. And fourth one, excretory system. And fifth one, a reproductive system. Digestive system, circulatory system, respiratory system, excretory system, reproductive system. So these are the organ systems. For example, take a digestive system. So what is this? Esophagus. And this one, stomach. And this one, and this one, duodenum. And this one, duodenum. So this is esophagus, and this is stomach, and this is duodenum. So esophagus is the one organ, and stomach is the one organ, and duodenum is the one organ. So these organs are completely fuses to form organ system. So what is that? Digestive system. Esophagus is the one organ in the digestive system. Stomach is the one organ in the digestive system. Duodenum is the one organ in the digestive system. So number of organs fuses to form the organ system. Number of organs are fuses to form the organ systems. And organ systems, number of organ systems are fuses to form organism. Number of organ systems are fuses to form organism. Finally, then form the organism. How to form of organism? So that is, number of organ systems are fuses to form organism. Number of organ systems are digestive system, circulatory system, respiratory system, and excretory system, and finally reproductive system. So these are the 5 systems. These 5 systems are including in the organism. Okay, next, number of organisms are fuses to form population. Number of organisms are fuses to form population, and number of populations are form community. So these are the animals, these are the humans, these are the rabbits, these are the birds. So these are deviation is the community, and number of communities are fuses to form ecosystem, and number of ecosystems are biosphere. So these are the structure of the how to form of organism. As a biology student, all of you know that the how to form of organism. Atoms, first of all, form the atoms. Number of atoms are fuses to form molecule. Number of molecules are fuses to form cell. Number of cells are fuses to form tissue. Number of tissues are fuses to form organ. Number of organs are fuses to form organ system, and number of organ systems are fuses to form organism, and number of organisms are fuses to form population, and number of populations are fuses to form the community, and number of communities are fuses to form the ecosystem, and number of ecosystem are fuses to form the biosphere. So that is the number of organisms are including in the biosphere. Different groups of organisms are present in the biosphere. Okay, so thank you.